Hi, hello, good morning, everyone. Let us quickly take a look. Today it is very easy. I'll just explain like how we traded for August 10th yesterday and what will be the index levels for today. So first of all, let me open the stocks which we planned for August 10th. It was not a great day for stocks because out of all this, we got entry in very few stocks. We got entry in Gujarat and it got stopped out. And we also got entry in Voltas, but that was almost at the end of the day. So that's it. And we didn't get any entry in other stocks. And see, many of them, whatever we planned, they went in that direction. In Bata, we planned short, it went in that direction. Bharat Forge, we planned long, it went in that direction. The problem is we didn't get the entry. So let me quickly open a Gujarat chart and let me show you how we got stopped out in this trade. Let me open Gujarat gas. So this is the area where we wanted to go long. Initially, this was the level which I planned. The moment it went below, there was no entry in the first one, and I planned the entry in the second level, and even this didn't work, and it just went down. So I just double check whether there was any mistake in the planning or just it broke the level. There was no wrong in the planning at all. We planned the trade according to the rules, but it didn't work. So we accept the stop loss in Gujarat gas and rest of the stocks in DVs. See, uh, we planned short trade in DVs, which means before it go down, we want it come little up, give a short entry, and then we want us it to go down. But what happened? It didn't give us the entry. We missed the entry by few points, and it went almost to the target. So we missed it in DV slab, and it happened mostly in all the stocks. And if I take Voltas, I think this has given entry, and see this gave entry, and where it is just basing in the buy area itself. So either we can come out of this stock at the buy cost, or maybe you can come out of this with a small stop loss. So overall, it was not a great day for stocks because most of them didn't give entry. Only one clear stop out in Gujarat Gas, let's say 1,000 rupees loss in this. And we didn't get any entry in other things. Walters, we got entry and we came out at the buy cost itself because it was just trading around buy cost. So overall, this is I believe after many days, this is the first day where we were unable to make some profits in the stocks. But the loss also will be very minimal. And we made very nice profit in index. Let me show you how we traded in index. So all the levels, whatever we traded in index on Bank Nifty and Nifty, everything was what we planned before the market. I can quickly show you what are the levels on 15 minutes. This is one demand area which we planned. You can watch the yesterday video. When it come here, this is where we wanted to go long. If you remember, when it came here, that is exactly where I said. So when the price, okay, this is about Gujarat Gas. Let me open the Bank Nifty. So Bank Nifty came. Bank Nifty reached the demand area planned for today. Can enter long in future or 44,700 call at 150. This 150 call, whatever we entered here, this gave like very huge profit. So even it went like 200, and at some point when the market moved till this point, it gave like more than 100 points profit here. This is the area where I said to book the profit, because see, you need to keep in mind all these levels. One is previous close. Once it comes this area, this is where I suggested when market is going up, you need to see what are the hurdles which can stop me while going long. So previous close is one hurdle, previous high is another hurdle, which means while going up, it can stop here and it can come down, or previous high, it can go till previous high and it can come down. If you remember, in between these two zones, I said to exit this and to enter 44,500 as hero zero. So we wanted to use that sum of that profit and we wanted to enter hero zero, so that in case previous high breaks and if it starts going up, that will be a jackpot. In case if it returns, we don't lose anything. Simply the plan was that. So if you see, that is what exactly happened. Even this 45, 600, or 500, whatever we entered around 60, this went even like more than 100. Whatever we traded yesterday, they all gave like very nice profit. So this 150, this has become almost 250, 260. I asked everyone to book it out and to re-enter a hero zero around 60 rupees, 45, because We don't know from where it is going to fall. Otherwise, what you need to do, you need to keep maintaining a strict stop loss. See the kind of volatility we have seen yesterday. From there, it started falling heavily. It was a bit risky to take a put decision here because you don't know from where again the market is going to react. Exactly from the previous high, sorry, yeah, this was the previous day high. Exactly around this point, market started coming down. And what happened? If you remember, this is one point exactly where we entered long again, and again we made some profit. Why we entered long there? All entries, whatever we made, they are not like a blind entries. Everything is a planned entry. That was a trap level. Let me show you. That could have definitely trapped people. So this was the previous low. Normally what happens, all the price action traders, they will jump into short trades once it go previous low. This was previous low, yesterday low. The moment they have seen this price even clearly breaking down, what people do, they will simply enter puts because they don't know there is one trap level right below this. If you remember, this is the 5 minutes level which I have posted yesterday. So this is 5 minutes level which I posted yesterday, and exactly from that point, if you see, there was a nice pullback. This is one area again where we entered and we made some nice profit. And again, when it came back and when it is trying to pull up, this is one area where we tried 44,700 call one more time. Even that 40 rupees or something, let me show you. We made very good trades yesterday. So one trade, this is the first trade which we entered. 44,600, this gave nice profit. And then the other one, first trade we entered here, and then we entered hero 0 45,600, this gave more than 100. So that was so quick. And then what happened, it broke this level. So that is okay, 44,500. If you remember, I posted it from the trading view. So I said this is the demand zone, and from here it can go up. And what happened from there, that 130 rupees call, whatever we entered, that gave like very good profit. It even went more than 100, I believe, in very short time. And then what happened? So it went even more than 200. And here we entered, see, when the price was sustaining, it went up there, and when there is some pullback and when it was trying to go up, this is one area. Our plan was like, maybe it can come back to this pullback area, and from there it can start moving up. This is one trade we entered, not with 100% clarity, but we just want to take a chance. We entered this 50 rupees hero 0 call. And even that one gave almost that 50 rupees call gave you close to 70, not one time, multiple times. So from here, it gave this target multiple times, this 70, 80, and eventually that has become 0. So definitely we made like very good profit in Bank Nifty yesterday. Now let us see what will be the levels for today. So first we'll start with the Bank Nifty itself. So weekly analysis, daily analysis, we'll do it tomorrow once this week is closed. Now let us see what will be the levels for today. So today what you do, mark the supply zones on your chart. It looks like Gift Nifty is trading very flat. If you see price going above this swing high, this is the swing high from yesterday, right? Okay, even if I mark that as a horizontal line to take the exact price, just mark some level here around 44,730 levels. This is earlier swing high, swing low, and the same swing low now turned as resistance. If market go above this swing high, that is where you can plan longs for the target of this. Okay, and if market keep going above the supply zone around 45,000, that is where another area will go long. But if you see any indecisive candle here around 44,890 levels, this is where we look to go short. And to go short from this area will be little difficult. So we'll wait and see like how price behaves here, but definitely long above this and short from that level. Okay, now let me also show you the demand area which we need to be cautious while if the market, if at all, if it starts falling. So if it starts falling, 44,400 area, if you get chance, if you see any indecisive candle, we can look to go long with a stop loss below 44,330 level or something like that. So, and proper stop loss will be this swing low because you don't know from where it will. So this will be the proper stop loss 44,274. If it go below that, maybe we can see much fall. And in this area, it can pull back from any point. So that is about Bank Nifty. Now let us quickly take a look on Nifty. On Nifty also, if I show you on 15 minutes how it worked, let me take you to the 15 minutes. If you go and watch our video from yesterday, this is one demand area which I marked. So this was one demand area around 19,500. We wanted to go long when it come there. I didn't give this trade on the Telegram, but I have given this video, this level on the video. So once it come here, see how magically the demand and supply is working. From there, we can see a nice pullback, and even again, it came back and it stopped over there. So it is not like every day we have to trade in Nifty and Bank Nifty, but whenever it is giving proper trade setups, why do we miss it? We'll definitely trade in Nifty and Bank Nifty as well. Now for levels for today, keep in mind this gap level around 19,400. If the price come here, there is level below level. What it means? Maybe it can start going up from here, or even it can start going up from the below level. So we'll try to maintain one stop loss below this, and if it come to the second level, we'll again try to re-enter. Or safe players, what you can do, you plan some entry in between these two zones. When if it come here, this is where we can enter long. On the upside, this was what we planned for last so many days, but it is not giving entry. We wanted to go short around 19,720. So that was level what I've been talking for so many days, but every day it is just hovering here. It is not even giving any fill around 19,720. So that is about Nifty. Now on to go long again around 19,720 we short, and these are the two demand areas where we'll go long. Let me quickly show you on 5 minutes. So on 5 minutes also, to go short, to go long, we want the price to go above 19,630 level. If the price starts sustaining above previous high, this is where we look to go long. And in between, like, if the price come till 19,600, this is where one risky players can look to go short with a stop loss above this one. I'll make it clear one more time. See, if you don't understand any level, don't trade in that. You just trade only the levels which you understand very clearly. If the price go here, this is the area where we wanted to go short. From this level, we will short and with the stop loss above previous high. And if the price come and sustain above, this is where we'll go long. So now let me go down and look for the demand zones here. This is the demand zone, the same demand zone which we planned for yesterday as well. Sorry, yeah. Let me take one horizontal line. Even if it go below previous low, I won't be shorting it, because if you see on the left, this could be the trapping area. Maybe it can break previous low and it can go up from any of this point. Only if it go below this swing low, even here also there are like so many trapping areas. So it will be a bit hard to plan short trades are around below the previous low. But definitely from this supply we can short. And we have to be a bit cautious. Maybe we can plan some bear puts or something like that, because it could trap. If you short below previous low, maybe it can pull back from any of this area, or even if that level is also broken. So if these are all the danger areas, maybe it can pull back from here, it can pull back from here. Only below 19,440, this is the gap area. Maybe it can fall like 40 points, something like that over there. So that is about Nifty. I'll keep updating you about the levels during the market. And even I'll try to post the stocks for today before the market. Thank you so much for watching.